Oops. Sorry, boys and girls, I ran out of time, and I'm almost done. So our lesson's almost complete. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we were talking about what you do to one side, you do to the other. So down here is where we were at. And you've got, because you're multiplying here, you're doing the opposite. You're going to divide. 5y divided by 5 equals 15 divided by 5. So what you come up with is y equals 3. Because when you divide 5y, it cancels it out. And then you've got, we know 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. All right. 5y minus 2 is equals 13 is true when y is 3. All right. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to fill in the circle with a plus, a minus, a times, or a division sign, and blank with the correct answer. So for what value of p will 6p plus 7 equals 37 be true? 6p plus 7 equals 37. All right, so take a look at it. Pause if you need to. All right, so you've got 6p plus 7 equals 37. Remember, what you do to one side of the equation, you do to the other. So we're going to subtract 7, okay? So this cancels it out. Subtract 7, you've got 30, so you've got 6p equals 30. Well, what do we know? 6 times what is 30? Right, 5. So 6 times 5 is 30, then we know p is equal to 30. I mean, no. B is equal to 5. Sorry. So, there you go. All right. Sorry it was long today. See you later.